All right. The next couple of days, you're going to be doing some rhythm counting, but you're going to be doing it with some cups into a cup song. So you're going to need some sort of cup or plastic cup to do this. And when you see a whole note, what you're going to do is you're going to make a circle with your cup. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you can see my lens. When you see a half note, which is one sound, 2 beats, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can hear those 2 sounds that last for those 2 beats. Your quarter note, you're just going to tap. And then your eighth notes, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you're also going to have a half rest. You're just silent or a whole rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or a quarter rest. 1 beat of silence. The music that's going to be featured is music from Motown. Motown Records was a record company that featured different solo artists, boy bands, girl bands back in the 1950s, 1960s, signing black musicians. So the music is fantastic. I think you'll enjoy it. It's one of my favorite types of music. Always makes me want to sing and dance. So enjoy.